welcome back to Black Cat Crafts. This is another Code Orange. This time I'm going to Fleet Farm, and they have an awesome display this year, so you've got to head over there. We'll start with Monsters Ball. It is a pipe organ type theme where the Halloween creatures dance around in a circle. So when this is running, those figures actually dance. We've got a mummy, we've got some zombies. Actually, you know, it looks like some green zombies and maybe a Dracula couple dancing. Bailey and Bella's Pet Shop. It's very sweet. This one isn't as scary as some of the other ones, so perfect for your town square layout. The horrid haunted hotel. This is a scary one. Multi-story piece. All the classic haunted hotel elements. The orange shutters and trim are a nice change of pace. Very interesting. Graveyard Dance features a lovely lady dancing. This one's actually missing one of the dancers, so not quite sure how that happened. Behind it is a skull and rose tattoo. This was hugely popular last year. Could see it being hard to find this year. It has a very Dia de los Muertos feel. Loving the colors, the bright red awnings, the overall design. Very inspired. The snake coming out of the chimney, that's fun. Meow Mansion, I bought that. Actually, I display it outside my village because it truly is a standalone piece. So it is a cat-shaped hotel, a mansion, with cats everywhere on it. It's truly gorgeous. Again, you can display this one anywhere. Dr. Gory's Laboratory. This one's popular this year, and I can see why. When it's running, all of the laboratory mixtures are lit up, and it's just a fascinating, fun piece to take a look at. So the next one on screen is one I've talked about before. I really am getting old Europe vibes, especially out of the roofline. It's very Northern European looking. I can't say enough great things about it. Also getting the European vibes from the witch's clock tower behind it, especially that medieval looking clock that looks like it tracks the phases of the moon. Very appropriate for the witches. So yeah, definitely digging this piece. Moving on, we have the Monster Hunting Supplies cabin with the best bait in town. This one tickles me. I can't quite figure out where I would put it in my layout, and I think if I had to change something on it, I would darken up some of the colors. I feel like this one should really have more of a gothic, low light feel to it, but that's just a minor criticism. Behind that is Agatha's Apothecary, a multi-story business with witches that are everywhere doing different potions and then selling them out of the storefront at the bottom of the store. This one has some animation. Check it out. Next to that is Death with a horse-drawn carriage. This one would be great in a layout that was maybe New Orleans themed. Behind that are two pieces I've talked about before. So we have the Mummy Mortuary, which is an Egyptian theme, and then the clock tower. They're both pretty cool. So the Bat Bonanza. Love, love, love this one. I especially love the Dracula at the top. Very dramatic Dracula, hands up, and then the kids, flying around on the bats. It's perfect for your carnival layout. So the Helga's Hats and More has a very collegiate theme. I could see it doing really well in a layout, maybe near a school. Behind it is the Pumpkin Potpourri. This one, it's fine. There's something missing with it. I can't quite put my finger on it. And then we have Esmeralda the Great. Everyone's been talking about this piece. It looks like a witch practicing levitation. The Sugared Pumpkin. Okay, Hansel and Gretel's Witch's Cabin vibes. It's a pumpkin with candy all over it. Sweet and scary at the same time. 10 of 10. Love the execution. So the Last Ditch gas station, Mad Max all the way. And then we have the Halloween pet costume contest. We have the mummy walking a dog, also a mummy, Dracula walking his pooch in a Dracula costume. Spectacular. Okay, I got the next piece as a birthday present. Gotta love the Isle of Creepy Jacks. You know me, I'm a sucker for anything with fog. I like spooky, and the fog definitely does it. Looking to theme this piece, it does have water on it, water next to it because it is an island. So stay tuned for a future video where I do exactly that, set it up in my village. So the lumberyard, love this. I thought it was an interesting mix of what looks like zombies and then real people. Well, potentially healthy looking people, not dead, undead. Let's go with undead. And then the skeletons. I wish this one was moving. That's a great piece. Okay, missed opportunity with the skeletons camping. Totally need a guy, saying shitters fall. You know what movie I'm talking about. And then our last piece, very spooky pumpkin themes. Gotta love it. So the accessories, they have a huge amount of accessories, including this first one. Mad Max vibes all the way. This would be great with the gas station. I bought this one as well. There's going to be a video about it. And then they've got a lot of our newer accessories. So we have the Batbird bath. The witches, they're just their legs sticking up in the air. Not sure what happened there. I'm not quite sure how I'd theme that, but they're funny. Some more classic looking gates. I like these options. They're very tidy looking. A lot of Halloween gates have that broken, decrepit feel, and these are a nice change. So moving forward, we have some figurines. The witch sitting on the park bench, as well as looks like Frankenstein's monster. We have a parking meter. Love the bird on it. Another witch and a set of pumpkins, stacked pumpkins, I should say. We have what looks like a crypt accessory, and then moving on, some additional accessories with some skeletons. These two are dancing with a boombox, an 80s style boombox. Fun. I'm really liking some of the more amusing, active accessories that we have. And then, of course, we have the ever popular blow mold ghosts and blow mold pumpkin stacks. Everyone's talking about those online. Check out Fleet Farm. They've got them. Additional accessories, of course, lamps. A lot of people do like the Halloween lamps for a more traditional city square layout. If you look really closely, these ones have skeletons in them. So from a distance, they look all prim and proper, and up close, they are spooky. Love it. So really enjoyed all of the accessory options that Fleet Farm had. They have some larger accessories as well. This one looks like a mariachi band, a skeleton trying to get, climb a tree with some dogs underneath them. Love that. It looks like a Halloween costume party sign, and then some skeletons all dressed up for Halloween. So thanks for tuning in. I hope to see you again.